Knife heads, how's it going? Let me tell you something. Women got me doing chores on my day off. Come on. I'm just kidding. I take garbage out every day. Nothing new. Y'all, here we go. Knife heads, good morning. How are you guys doing this fine morning? It is Tuesday. About to go to work, come down, feed the dogs. Thought I would hit yous up, show yous my work carry for today. First off, I'm going to show you the one I've been doing a little series on over on the shorts. I've been using this stag handled Cobra Tech. Got a pocket clip. I've been doing a series on this knife. Showing over there, you know, cut something with it every day. I use it all the time, but I'm just doing this see how far this D2 steel can go without being sharpened, stropped, or anything. I'm cutting zip ties, tape, boxes. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, go check me out in the short section. And I'm just doing it during the work week. The weekends, you know, can't do it, but just during the work, I'm doing cutting something with this over on the shorts. So that's the hog right here. The work mule, if you will. And I ain't got nothing in that pocket. Just the knife clipped to the side of my pants. I've been carrying this little Lufkin 8-footer. It's not American made. I don't think. It don't say it nowheres, but yeah. And I got a lock back. You guys seen this knife? I've done a hard use video on this knife. I've been carrying that for the last 2 days. And this is not a slip knife. This is just one I throw in the pocket. I done lost the badge, so I Gorilla Glued it. I don't think it's coming out because I had to keep wiping off the glue. So I caked it. And last one I got. I ain't got a slip small enough for it, so I've been carrying it too without a sheath. I shouldn't be doing that or without a slip, but I can't get it out the pocket. I cannot get this knife out of my pocket. It's one of them knives you've been searching for it so long and you finally get it. You just gotta carry it. You just but that's the swayback jack and chestnut bone. Y'all, stay classy. You hear?